Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create an animated zoom in text effect on DaVinci Resolve 19. So let's get right into it. First we're going to press Effects, and now make sure that you select Toolbox. Open that up, click on Titles, and now you'll be able to see text. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and now we want it to fit the entirety of the clip. Just like so. Now we're going to go to the top right corner, click on Inspector, Video, Title, and now we're going to give this text a name. So I'm going to do Forest. Perfect. Now what I can do as well is change the font. And I kind of like this one right here. So to do the animated text effect, what we want is to go down where you see position and zoom. We want to decrease this as much as possible. So you see how tiny it is? We just grabbed it and I just clicked on it and then moved to the left. Now we're just going to add a keyframe on the right side, and you can see that the keyframe is being utilized by it changing to the color red. And now I'm going to move the player head to the right side. Grab, go back to zoom, increase the size, and now you can see that the animation is on. So I'm going to bring the player head back, and you'll be able to see. And that's how you create an animated text zoom in on text effect. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.